Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and I have Skylar here with me today, and we're going to be doing the Peppermint Lip Plumper. And yeah, so we're going to put some peppermint oil on our lips, let it be on there for like 5 minutes. Sorry about y'all shaking because I am outside and it's kind of windy. We're going to do 3 drops on our lips and give it 5 minutes to work, and then we'll be right back. Alright, we're back. It's been probably a little bit over 5 minutes. We had to start the timer, and since it said 3 drops, we kind of like every minute, for 3 times, the first 3 minutes, we kind of just shook it on our hands and reapplied it each time. And okay, now we're going to moisturize our lips because it does kind of dry your lips out. I'm just using the Pure Beauty facial oil from Dirty Works and just using a drop of that because I don't have a chapstick. So, and now we're going to use the Sleek Major Matte Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream in the color Happy. Alright, we're back after putting the Sleek Happy on our lips, and yeah, so this is the outcome. Me personally, I don't think it really did anything. I felt like my lipstick actually went on a lot smoother than normal for some reason or another, but I don't feel like my lips was any plumper more than normal. But what was your thoughts?
Mine either. I mean, the lipstick did go on easier, as she said, but your lips did dry out a lot faster by using that.
So you don't feel like your lips are plumper
No,
at all?
Not really. Maybe just a little.
A little bit.
Yeah.
I feel like I had Botox, but I think that's just the mint.
Yeah.
The peppermint feel to it. Yeah, so I think this is a fail in my personal opinion, but yeah, if you try this hack, just let me know in the comments below. If you have a video on it, I'm definitely interested in watching it. And yeah, until next time, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye! Oh crap, I got it on in my mouth.
Let's just put more on?
Like 3 drops. I don't know. I just shook it. Oh shoot, I should have got a close-up of our lips before. Have you ever tried this, like for coughing or whatever?
Yeah, I can smell it. I have like, I think I had the Too Faced lip plumper thing.
And see what it looks like after that. Are you freaking kidding me? A freaking blowhorn.
How are we gonna do this other way?
I don't know. Okay, we're gonna apply and then come right back.